Namaste guys, in this video we are going to learn how to make this cam mechanism in Solidworks. So let's start. Go to the assembly, click on here, new part. Select the front plane, press Ctrl plus 8 for mouse into the view. Click on here, click on connect angle. Draw the connect angle as I'm showing. Give it a height as per your requirement 120, 40. Go to the features, revolve workspace, select this line, click OK. Let's make it a little bit wider. Let's make it 60. Okay, this looks fine to me. Now after that, what I will do, I will select the front plane, click on sketch. Now I will draw a profile that basically cut it out on this. So first thing that I have to do is go to center line, draw a center line. So what will be its length? Its length will be 2 times pi into r. What is the value of r? 60. So this is what I got. Make sure that it has same length as the below one, 366.99, and you can define these parameters as per your requirement. 110, 100, 70. Click OK. Offset entities. Click base geometry. Select the line. Bidirectional. Cap ends. Click on lines. Click OK. Go to the features. Exit the sketch mode. Click on wrap command. Select the surface. Let's make it 10 mm. Click OK. Currently it's moved outward, but I want to be inward direction. So click on here, click on reverse direction, and you can see different kind of methods. So first method is basically exit out the material. The second is extrude cut. So click on here. Notice it's cut out. That is basically what I want. Now what I can do is I will go to the fillet. I will add fillet here. Now I will draw a center line. Click on here, new part, select the front plane. Make a circle of 9.5 mm. Extrude up to 15 mm, or let's say 20 mm will be better. Click OK. Select the top plane. Click on sketch. Draw a circle here. Extrude. click OK. Exit the assembly component mode. Click on the front plane. Click on sketch. Just you know that I am drawing a sketch in assembly mode. Go here, draw a center line. So what will be this length? Up to here will be 60. So let's make it 65. And this length can be as per your requirement, not mandatory. Exit the horizontal component mode. Go to the mate. Select this face and this. Make sure it's concentric. Click OK. Select this line. Notice this quite small here to fit. So I will modify this part. Edit components. 19.5. Let's make it 40. Now select this plane. Click on here. Select this axis and select this line. Make sure it's parallel. So in that way we can create this mechanism. So I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you have any kind of doubt and queries, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.